Generally, we know the difference between sentient beings and insentient beings. So, any response or sense reaction, whenever it is responded, is something which is sentient. Emotion or consciousness is there. And being insentient means whenever, like, one sense such as the five senses is not responded back, so that is something insentient. And most of the spiritual philosophy regards that insentient beings does not have the consciousness, and insentient beings such as the stones or wooden chair does not respond, and they could not be regarded as something which has consciousness, that consciousness could be elevated. But in the Lotus Sutra it is said that insentient beings also possesses the Buddha nature. So here the difference is felt and understood, that other philosophies which does not regard the other philosophies does not regard the insentient beings to have consciousness. But in the Lotus Sutra, that is Saddharma Pundarika Sutra, insentient beings are also said to have consciousness, said to have the Buddha nature. So this makes a lot of difference between the spiritual and the religious philosophy. And also, means in practice, actually I try to understand that being insentient means such as the chair, so chair or the wooden furniture or this door also. So consciousness is actually understood when we tend to pray, and we tend to elevate our emotion, our consciousness, human consciousness. And in case of other living beings also, the Buddha nature is there, means the consciousness is there. That is why the philosophies are they tend to elevate the to higher like the higher thinking capacity. Few days back I had bought this plant from the soil, means it was potted, and now it is living only with water. So the water consists of no other nutrient, only plain water. But then new leaves are coming up with no nutrients or minerals. Here also you can see small baby leaf blades are coming. So can we say that the plant does not have any sense? The plant is a insentient beings because it is responding to all the natural condition. So I think that plants should not be considered as insentient beings. Trees also have senses. Trees, plants, they respond to various senses of nature. They are also sentient beings.